In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to your Google Chrome browser and enable it for use with Google Docs. If you've ever sent off an email or shared a document only to spot an error later, then this step-by-step guide is definitely for you. Grammarly is a fantastic tool that can help improve your writing by catching those pesky mistakes and offering helpful suggestions. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find all sorts of extensions that help customize your browsing experience. Just type Chrome Web Store into your search bar, or you can enter the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you're there, it's like stepping into a treasure trove of productivity tools, games, and much more. But today we have our sights set on Grammarly. On the home page of the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed, and it's time to put that to good use. Type Grammarly into the search bar and hit enter. You should see Grammarly pop up as one of the top results. It's quite popular for good reasons. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to Grammarly. A little pop-up will ask for your permission to add the extension. Make sure to review the permissions and then go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. This shouldn't take long, and you'll see the Grammarly icon appear in your Chrome toolbar once it's added successfully. With Grammarly now part of your browser, it's time to integrate it with Google Docs. Head over to one of your Google Docs. You can open an existing document or create a new one, whichever works for you. Now look towards the top right corner of your browser where you'll see the extensions icon. It's usually shaped like a puzzle piece. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear listing all your installed extensions, including Grammarly. Click on Grammarly from this list. Once you've done that, a small menu will pop up giving you various options. To enable Grammarly for Google Docs, you'll want to toggle on the option that says, Check for writing suggestions on Google Docs. This is really important because it tells Grammarly to keep an eye on your writing while you're in Google Docs and offer helpful suggestions to make your writing stronger and clearer. It's like having a trusty proofreading buddy by your side. And there you have it. You're all set up. With Grammarly active, you'll notice subtle underlines in your text as you write, guiding you with spelling, grammar, and style advice instantly. This step not only saves time, but also minimizes those embarrassing moments where a simple typo might go unnoticed. We hope you find this guide helpful and that it empowers your writing process going forward. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one.